Hi, I'm Doyle Bishop with Tulsa Heaters Midstream. And on this channel, you can expect to hear all things about process heating. And sometimes the topics are not technical, but a lot of times they are technical. Thanks for joining in.
Hi, Heater School. We offer every year Heater School at our offices, and it's you got to get here, and you got to pay for your lodging, but everything else is comped. So it's economically it's a good gig, but I guess really your time is valuable. So what you'll get is you'll get obviously an overview of heater operation, heater design, heater engineering, heater problems, and it covers everything from the burner management system to the heat transfer to the hardware of the heater itself. We've got, in the past and in the future, we have both engineers and operations folks that attend, and both get value out of it. I think engineer folks want to know, hey, what do I need to know about buying a heater? What are some key things that keep me from buying the wrong heater? And then operations folks get, hey, what are some things that I need to look for when I operate a heater? You know, some troubleshooting, problem areas, and some optimization areas of a heater. So we've got good response. Of course, we feed everybody really well, so that helps, and the teaching is great. But anyway, so come on and come to our heater school.
Thanks for joining. If you enjoyed this episode, then like or subscribe to get more information about process heating and Tulsa Heaters Midstream.